Picture this, you're in the middle of the zombie apocalypse and you've just been bitten. All hope seems gone and you begin to panic as you realize you'll become another human-eating monster in a matter of hours.
But wait, there's still time. What if there's a simple solution to the problem of being bitten?
There is, and it's called the lyssavirus Z6 post-exposure vaccine. This vaccine is used immediately after being bitten, and after the initial uses, follow-up vaccines are needed to enforce immunity against the zombie virus.
Before we get into the chemistry behind our vaccine, let's explain how our vaccine works.
So basically, the lyssavirus Z6 is a form of rabies that causes humans to turn into zombies. It is transmitted through saliva, so when the zombie bites a human, the virus enters the human bloodstream and immune system through the zombie's saliva.
Our vaccine is used post-exposure, so if you get bitten by a zombie, it's not too late.
The lyssavirus Z6 post-exposure vaccine is meant to help prevent infection from the rabies virus. Once the human rabies immune globulin is dispensed to the patient, it releases antibodies to act immediately. This process is known as passive protection, and it works until the body adapts fully to the vaccine.
Vaccines contain a number of other components too. The active components, which are forms of virus, bacteria, or toxins that cause a disease, are used as an antigen. This is modified from its original form, so it no longer causes diseases, but still starts up an immune response to the body.
This data shows that the adjuvants add an enhancement to the body's immune response. These keep the antigens near the site of the area. The antibiotics are used during the manufacturing process to prevent bacterial contamination. Preservatives help prevent contamination of vaccines, and while the vaccines need to be storable, stabilizers are added to ensure all the components stay stable and effective.
Now that you understand how our vaccine is used, we can get into how chemistry is involved with our vaccine. Adjuvants have a major role in making vaccines effective.
BTW, an adjuvant, is a chemical compound that is added to a vaccine to help improve the body's immune response to the vaccine.
So aluminum salts are commonly used adjuvants, and some examples of these are aluminum hydroxide and aluminum phosphate. For reference, our vaccine uses the adjuvant aluminum hydroxide. The reason adjuvants are so important is because they allow the immune system to use the vaccine more effectively, since it stimulates the system for a long time and slowly releases the antigen in order to have the vaccine in effect for a long time.
In an apocalyptic world, life can throw lots of unexpected problems at you, and you won't have time to inject follow-up vaccines very often. So it is essential that the vaccines stay in your system to keep you immune to the virus.
As we inject the vaccine into Jem, she can finally feel relieved that she won't turn into a demonic monster.
That's right. Thank you, lyssavirus Z6 PE vaccine, for saving my life.
Of course. Don't miss out on the chance to save your life, even post-exposure to being bitten by a zombie. Buy one lyssavirus 6 PE vaccine and get 6 for free for only the low price of $599.99.
Silence.